Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Fiverr affiliate account and being approved. You get approved and start making money online. The first thing you need to do here, you head on to your browser. Right now, open your browser, head up to your Chrome browser. On the address bar, what you need to do, just type in Fiverr affiliate program. It will now pop up on Google. Go down, you now see the first link that shows there. Click on it, Fiverr affiliate program. Click on it, it will open. Once it opens, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to click on start earning. As you can see, this is the dashboard mainly for Fiverr affiliate program. This is where you register as an affiliate and you get approved. Once you are approved, you'll be offered an affiliate link to start promoting all Fiverr products. You can promote all these products on Fiverr. You can promote Fiverr affiliate. You can promote Fiverr Learn. Fiverr affiliate means you as an affiliate, you apply as an affiliate, you got approved, you'll be offered a link to promote, recruit another affiliate, which you are going to pay the commission on it. Another product goes to Fiverr category under Learn. You promote all the courses under Fiverr Learn and you earn your own commission from there. You can also decide to promote Fiverr Workspace. You can decide to promote Fiverr itself. By promoting all these things, there is an affiliate link attached to all these categories. You will be offered an affiliate link that will be able to promote and make your own commission from it. So let's go down, let's go up and look for this option. You can click on start earning now. Once you click on start earning now, you'll be able to sign up. Then before you proceed, first one, go ahead and insert your name, Mohammed. Insert my name, go ahead, email, you can put our at gmail.com. Go ahead and put your own email. Go ahead, choose your username. My username now is say Mohammed. Go ahead and select your password. You can choose any password you want. I'm putting my own password now. Confirm the password. Go ahead, make sure the password match. How are you applying? Are you applying as a company or an individual? If it's an individual, you select private. If it's a company, you select company. Go ahead. What is your primary? Do you have a main source of traffic? You say yes. Make sure you say yes. Select it. If you don't have a website that is driving traffic for you at the moment, you can still do this. Once you have a Facebook account, have a Twitter account, have an Instagram account, what you just need to do is head on to your Facebook account, click on my account dashboard to look for the link, copy your account link, copy your profile link. Like here, this is my profile link, and now highlight it on the URL bar, copy it, bring it back, put it in this column, paste it. Go ahead, select your country. I'm selecting my country because I'm from Nigeria. I don't select Nigeria. Go ahead, English is my language. If your own language is German, Spanish, French, you can go ahead and select there. My own primary language is English. Now go ahead and click on next. Plan to promote Fiverr. Make sure you choose wisely. Right? You can say you want to promote Fiverr by paid search, content side, search engine optimization, by YouTube videos, social media. I think I'm done. Or I can also say offline or display advertising. If you have blog post, website, you can choose blog. Go ahead. What are your audience key? Your audience key interest is graphic design. Select as much as you like. Digital, writing, translation, video. These are all what you are going to promote to your audience. Data, forget about data, is not to me. But if you like data, you can go ahead with data, business, fun and style, or you can select all Fiverr services to promote all the services that are being offered by Fiverr. Now click, make sure you accept the terms and conditions. You read the terms and conditions if you like. Go ahead and open the terms and conditions, read, make sure it corresponds, and you agree and you accept to it. Click on accept the terms and conditions, agree to the privacy policy, but make sure you read all the privacy policy, you read the terms and conditions, then click on register now. Once I click on register now, I'm going to be registered as an affiliate. See, congrats, you are a Fiverr affiliate. I'm so glad we have you on board like this. Click on start doing it. Now I should be taken to my dashboard right now. I'm going to be asked to log in. Once I log into my dashboard, now log into my dashboard with your username and the password that you use. I'm waiting for it to open as it's loading. Once it's loading, it's going to be loaded to the dashboard right now. Right now, here is my dashboard with the statistics, all the traffics, all these are all the monthly statistics, the impression, all the clicks, you see it here, the sales, you see it here. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is how to get your marketing tools, your affiliate link. So go ahead on this dashboard, click on marketing tools. If you have a blog website, you can go ahead, you see all your marketing tools that you can take the banner, put it on your blog site, or you want to promote Fiverr via a paid ad, you download all the banner from here. There are several banners here on all these marketing tools. You get the banners from there and start promoting. So what I'm going to show you now here is how to customize your default deep link for you to get your default deep link and start promoting. So click on default and deep link. Yeah, these are all the link attached to all the Fiverr services. As you can see, Fiverr CPA. This Fiverr CPA is Fiverr cost per action. This is the place they are going to pay you $100 for each referral you brought to Fiverr. Each person you refer to Fiverr, you're going to be paid $100 per referral. This is another one. This one paid 30%. This one paid 10%. Or this one, anyone you like, go ahead and copy the link and start promoting. But one thing I'm going to show you now, go ahead to another tab, click on fiverr.com, enter. So like now, what I want to do now, if I want to promote, I will now head on directly to Fiverr Learn. Look for all Fiverr Learn, like digital marketing. Go under digital marketing. As you can see, these are all the courses under digital marketing that you can promote. Social media marketing. Go ahead. These are all the courses that you can promote. This one can promote this person. This person is offering this service starting from $10. This person is offering this service $25, $85. Pick the one of your choice. Like this one now, I will be your social media marketing manager and personal assistant. This, go ahead, open it. Marketing. Go ahead to the top. Copy the URL to the whole courses under social media marketing. Come back to your Fiverr dashboard, affiliate link. Click on this LP user. As you click on the LP user, make sure you paste the link you copied from that social media marketing dashboard. Click on it. As you put it like this, then click on outside. So immediately you click outside, you will now see the link has been added to your affiliate link here. The link has been added to your affiliate link as it is like this. So now what you have to do now, just copy the link from here. As you copy the link, now open an app called a Bitlink that you can shorten the link because the link is too long. Go ahead, shorten your link. So once you shorten the link, now I'm going to show you how you to be able to promote the link and get your first client immediately. So go ahead. I'm going to shorten this link right now. Create link. If you don't have an account with Bitly yet, just go ahead. Make sure immediately you open Bitly account, you will be prompt to create an account. So make sure you go ahead, create the account. Once you create the account, you now have this dashboard. The next thing, click on create new. Under create new, you will now see another link called create new link. Click on it. This link, this very link that you have copied from your dashboard here, make sure you paste it here directly here. Once it's been pasted, now give it a title. This title, like your social media marketing courses. Yeah, this is the title. Go ahead. If you want to add a shortening, just it's not advisable. If you want to add a custom back half, you can add it like social media courses. Go ahead and click on create link. The link will be shortened. There is a problem here. Let me shorten it to one. Click on create link. There is a problem. I think we should forget about this one so that we'll move further. Click on create link. The link should be created right now. Be shortened for you right now. As you can see, the link has been shortened for me now. What I need to do now is to copy this link. Let's test this link. You should copy this link. Make sure you test the link and the link is open before you take it to where I'm going to show you right now. Now, after the link has been shortened, head on to Quora.com. There's a platform called Quora.com. It's basically for question and answer platform. It's a question and answer platform where you ask questions, you get answer. So head on to that place, head on to Quora.com, open another tab on your browser, head on to Quora.com. Please watch the video again and again to get all the tips I'm going to show you. So type Quora.com on your browser, Quora.com. Is loading. Once Quora.com has opened, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to look for how many those people that are asking on how to learn social media marketing, because what you are trying to promote right now is the courses you are trying to promote right now is social media marketing, how to learn social media marketing. So look for those people that are looking for how to learn, for those people that are looking for where to learn social media marketing. Then the next thing you should do, click on the search tab. Once you click on the search tab, go on, type in how do I learn social media marketing. You see how many people are asking this question. That is why you are seeing all this thing coming up. How can I learn social media marketing? How do I learn social media marketing in India? How do I learn social media marketing in 10 days? These are questions you can give answer to, that you'll be able to get your client immediately. So it has opened. Say this person asked a question that, can you recommend a tools for real-time social media monitoring? Go down. So what do I need to learn to become a social media marketer? Looking for a better WordPress team. How can I get started in social media marketing? Yes. Like this one now. Go ahead right now. Go ahead and answer. Give your answer to this question. How do you give the answer to this question? Click on this reply now. This comment. You know this comment. Click on comment. Once you click on comment, a comment box will be open for you to add your comment. So like now, study this question. This person says, how can one get started in social media marketing? See that the best way
should learn social media marketing I marketing I always recommend this very platform called Fiverr. Make sure you do not type Fiverr Fiverr. Don't type it like that. Just type it in shortcut. Make sure you start from figure 5, Fiverr. Because if you do not do so, Quora is going to block your affiliate, block your account because you are trying to promote an affiliate link. So make sure you type Fiverr so that you will not get blocked on Quora. Take note. Type fiverr.com, a platform called Fiverr, where you can learn all about social media marketing. Full stop. Now say if you like to follow my suggestion, my suggestion, click on the link below for more details. Now you will now drop your affiliate link here that you have copied, the one you have shortened from bitlink.com. You drop your affiliate link here. You now click on add comments. So immediately you add comments, thousands and thousands of people are going to read this question to give answer to it. So everybody, all of them are going to see this your answer, and this person that asked this particular person that asked this question now is going to get a notification that yes, you reply to his question with an answer, and it's going to follow. If you like your suggestion, what you are suggesting, you will now click on this link to learn more. By clicking on the link to learn more, the link will now take this particular person back to fiverr.com, where you get your affiliate link from. You now take the person there. Any course or courses the person purchase on that Fiverr, you get a commission from it. So that is how to do a read. In this, I believe if you follow all these single step I listed in this video, if you follow it from the number 1 to this very point, if you execute it one after the other, there is nothing that is going to stop you from getting it. A very sure guarantee that if you follow all these steps in this video, you are going to make your $1,000 in just 1 week. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it, so that anytime I release another video, you'll be notified. You'll be the first person to be notified.